Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the default page setup in Google Docs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up at the top left and go down and select Page Setup. You go ahead and modify whatever page settings you want to change on here. So if you want to change the page orientation from portrait to landscape, or adjust the margins or paper size, you can do so on this page. And once you've made your selection or your customized choices, you want to select the Set as Default button, and then OK. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.